You have a dream and a desire in your mind that you're trying to manifest into physical reality using the law of attraction techniques such as affirmations. Then there is your subconscious mind coming in between you and your dreams, which creates doubts and a lack of self-belief when you do the affirmations because of the way it's been programmed to work. Namaste, I'm Gaurav and you can call me Quantum Yogi. In today's video, I'll be explaining to you how to speed up your manifestation by using the Neuro-Linguistic Programming technique of affirmations. Understand that everything in this universe is energy, and everything vibrates at a particular frequency. For your affirmations to work, their frequency should match the frequency of the programmed thoughts in your subconscious mind, or else your affirmations don't work at all. In fact, listening to random affirmations is a pure waste of time. Instead, use your own voice to do the affirmations. But if you want your manifestation to work, your affirmations should match the frequency of your subconscious mind. It's just like how a radio device matches its frequency with the radio tower. Every night before you go to sleep and every morning once you wake up, your brain goes through a natural state of Alpha and Theta. This is the same brain state of the first 7 years of human life. This is when your subconscious mind is recording. The reason why your manifestation is not working is because of the bad programming that's done in these Theta and Alpha states. It's surely because of your childhood programming and also because of the destructive negative thoughts you used to think before going to sleep every night or once you woke up in the morning. Now, you can't go back to childhood to reprogram your subconscious mind. But the good news is, you can always reprogram your subconscious mind in the same Alpha and Theta states, that is before you go to sleep or once you wake up in the morning. Every night before you go to sleep and once you wake up in the morning, use affirmations with your own voice or read it mentally. Neuroscience studies have proven that using your own voice to affirm yourself is more effective than listening to others affirming. It's just like how Siri responds only to the commands given by the owner of the iPhone. We have created a 15 minutes Wealth Affirmations video where you can repeat the affirmations mentally or out loud as you see it on your screen. The link to the video is available in the description. The moment you start this practice of affirming with your own voice, you start rewiring your subconscious mind for success. This will help you to easily bypass your conscious mind. This is how affirmations and the law of attraction works. Thank you so much for gifting yourself a few minutes. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I always respond to every comment. If you love the video, please like and share it with your friends and family. Namaste.